Hey, all you military servicemen and retirees, this is Bill and Susan taking you along on our Hawaii trip where we're staying at the IHG Army Hotels at Tripler Army Medical Center. Come along for a detailed look at the hotel and some tasty food on What I Ate. The hotel is minutes from Honolulu International. Once you get past the armed security guards, the hotel is off the second right from the main loop around the hospital. A major amenity of the hotel is the abundant and free parking. Compare this to the Halekoa in Waikiki, where parking is an added charge of $20 per day. Just a note, the IHG Army hotels on Tripler are not available to the public. You must be an active military member, reservist, National Guard, DoD Civilian employee, veteran, or military retiree to book and utilize the facilities. Check-in to the hotel was a breeze. However, if you have mobility issues, you should specifically book a ground floor room well in advance. There is no elevator. You can pull your car up to the back of the building and unload there, but you have to carry all your luggage up 2 steep flights of stairs to get to the second floor.
Thank you.
Okay, we got a business center here and a lounge. This looks like an old headquarters office building for military army office. Okay. Steep stairs. People with impairment will probably want to request a ground floor room since there are no elevators here. Okay, this is what they say about the rooms being separated by the bathroom. So you come in, bedroom is to the right, closet, door to the lanai or back porch. Yeah, here's the bedroom, like any old army bedroom or bathroom. What's nice is it's air conditioned. A lot of these old army buildings don't have air conditioning, or at least when I used to live in them back in 1985. Pretty good sized refrigerator with a freezer. TV. I forgot to see, is there a TV in the bedroom?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's probably part of the renovation. Okay, it's like a little apartment. Good sized closet, desk, sofa. I think that's a pull-out sofa and it becomes another bed. Is it or no? No?
No.
Okay.
It's a regular sofa, but you could certainly fit a short person in here.
Yeah.
But for
Okay.
the room you get.
Let's take a look at the lanai. A little chain on the door. latch screened so that, you know, if you want to,
Bit of a breeze.
is there a latch here?
I don't know.
Nope, it's
Nope.
just a stuck thing. Oh, okay, we can have breakfast out here on the lanai. Oh wow, we have a private lanai all to ourselves. Nice cool breeze here. Okay, I'm gonna close the door to save the air conditioning.
Yes.
Air conditioner up there. Okay. This is pretty roomy. I mean, you could put a sleeping bag here and accommodate like 6, 7 other people here. If you got like a big family. And the 2, what are those? Queen beds?
2 double beds, queen beds.
Yeah,
I think they're queen beds.
yeah.
But pretty roomy.
Yep. The sundry area is stocked with a few items like laundry detergent, toothbrushes, toothpaste, and snacks for purchase from the front desk. The hotel staff are always friendly and knowledgeable of the area, and you can tell they work very hard to make your stay a pleasant one, whether you're on military orders, visiting a loved one at the hospital, or here for vacation. The laundry room is a major convenience as it is free. When we stayed at the Halikoa, we expected to pay $3 to do a wash load and $3 to dry. But here, it's free. You just have to wait, as the machines can take a while. By the way, they have 2 laundry rooms on each floor, 1 on each end of the floor, for a total of 4 laundry rooms available. On Wednesday evenings, the hotel hosts a social with food and drinks for IHG reward members. Unfortunately, we weren't able to join them because we had other dinner arrangements. By the way, the outdoor social reception area has a gas grill available for guest use if you want to have a barbecue with friends or family. The free breakfast is served each morning from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and offers hot items like hot coffee, tea, eggs, breakfast meat, and oatmeal. Cold breakfast cereals, fresh cut fruit, and plastic packed fruit cups, juice, milk, and yogurt are also available. Okay, I'm going to give the sausage a try. It's a pretty good sausage. Again, you know, something you get at a grocery store and you heat up in the oven. Pretty serviceable breakfast. So I've made a little breakfast sandwich. This is actually a pretty good breakfast.
Okay, what I have here is some oatmeal. I added some raisins and slivered almonds. I grabbed the plate before I realized, no, and this is all I'm eating because we're going to go out and have second breakfast. So this seems to be nice and creamy. It's nice and soft. Of course it should be. And it's a little cool uphill here. It's a nice warm breakfast, much appreciated. I took a bite of this. Hey, these come in small, medium, and large. This is definitely large size egg patty.
Try some of that. Nice, fresh, and sweet. I like cantaloupe when it's ripe. Actually, that's honeydew melon. The hotel does not have a swimming pool or gym, but if you are authorized to be on the military base, you should have access to the post gym and swimming pool. The post gym and swimming pool are really easy to get to. You just go down the hill toward the hospital and hang a right at the stop sign. Then, shortly after the traffic light by the banyan tree, you'll make a right turn and the gym is just a short distance away. The grounds are very pretty and well manicured. They also have some games available, although I didn't see anyone use them. They have a game of cornhole and a putting green, and what I thought was possibly an archery range. We selected the IHG hotel on Tripler because there weren't any vacancies at our usual hotels at the time we wanted to stay. Surprisingly, the IHG Army hotels at Tripler Army Medical Center had available rooms and was still in a convenient location to access Honolulu and allow us to explore the west side of the island. It punched the tickets on both price point and comfort levels. The breathtaking view was just a bonus. While you're admiring the panoramic view, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give us a like and a few comments. Really, you've got like 30 seconds, so you've got lots of time to do that. Hit that subscribe button now. Thank you.